Hey, it's AP, and today I'm making the Undertaker Spats. Check it out.
As some of you know, I cosplay as the Undertaker with my pal James Hannon, who happens to be one of the best pallbearers out there. This year, I decided to upgrade my wrestling boots with actual wrestling boots. And I really like these. But the Undertaker has purple spats, or at least my version of the Undertaker has purple spats. And I don't have purple spats, and I don't have time to make spats. But I had an idea. So I was thinking, how am I going to make spats? I'm going to get this thing off. So I thought to myself, AP, how am I going to make spats in time for New York City Comic Con this year? And I thought to myself, don't make spats. Buy something that can be turned into spats. And that led me down the rabbit hole of tights. Stirrup tights. And they had just the purple that I was looking for. So I went to Amazon and I picked up a pair of plus size tights because I have thick manly calves and I'm going to have big boots on, and I wanted to make sure I had enough room to pull these on. And so all I'm going to do is I'm going to put these on over my boots, cut them, and then stuff them into the top of my boot. Let's see if this actually works. I'm going to move the camera down so you can see what I'm up to down there, because I have to do a lot of stuff down in my leg, on my leg, all right, welcome to my legs. So I, of course, have my tights on. Look at those sexy legs. I have my tights on because obviously I'm going to have my boots on over the tights. And so I'm going to loosen up. I just got these in the mail. I'll leave a link to the kind of boots that I got. They were pretty inexpensive. The only thing I don't like about them is that they have this kind of gym floor mat type of material as the sole, and that's probably going to end up killing my feet during a long day of walking on the con floor. So I might get some insoles or something. So let's just pop these on. Okay. And get the tongue in there. Oh, my inner goth is just loving this right now. I'm actually gonna keep these a little loose to give me enough space to stuff the tights in. So I'm just gonna gently tie these, and I'm gonna stuff them in here. All right, then we take our tights, and I have no idea how tights work, I guess. All right, so it looks like there's a wide side and a short side. So I think the wide side is going to be the front. I mean, I already love it. This is great. Oh, this is so much better than I thought it would be. Okay. Well, let's not get too excited. All right. Let's pull it up a little bit. How's that look? Oh my God. This is amazing. And to cut it, I'm actually going to use a pair of these fancy scissors. They have the crimps on them. That helps from the edges from getting frayed. So I guess I'm going to do, let's do 5 inches up from the top. That should be plenty. Okay. All right. So I've got them down where I want them. And so now I'm just going to carefully cut All right. There we go. I guess the seam, I'm not even going to stitch this. All right, so the seam, I'm going to put the seam on the inside. Yeah. All right. And then, oh, yeah. Now, if I had a shoehorn, I'd probably make this a little bit easier, but you know what? I'm actually okay without the shoehorn. This, because I left it loose enough. Oh my God. Okay. This is amazing! All right, let's put the other one on. There we go. Undertaker. And there it is. I have spats for my Undertaker. I can't believe I didn't think of this sooner. I am so happy with how these spats turned out. And I can't wait until next week's New York Comic Con. If you see The Undertaker and Paul Bearer at New York Comic Con next week, October, I guess 18th, Friday the 18th, then be sure to come up and say hello. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need spats for your Undertaker cosplay, look no further. I solved your problem for you. God, I hope this isn't a well-known thing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you a thing. It does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.